Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Anong pakialam ko kung nananalo ka ng mga award ng putok sa buho ka? Putok sa buho kayo? Kung yung award na pinanalalunan nyo katas ng kasinungalingan, sino ba nang bibigyan ng award? Hindi ba tao? Ang totoong award ay manggagaling sa puong may kapal. Nakikita niya kung anong totoo at nakikita niya kung sinong sinangaling. You don't have to work for people's approval and award-winning body to give you a stupid son of a award for that award. And because everything that you want to gather, all the award, it's time na matigil yan. There's nothing wrong with the award given to you as long as you deserve it and you're telling the truth. Pero kung kasinungalingan naman yung sinasabing award na yan, you can forget about it. I mean, what's the use of the award? Can you close your eyes at night before you go to sleep? And then you think, wow man, you look at the award, titingnan mo yung napanalunan mong premyo. Pero sa isip, meron bang konsensya ikaw na natutulog ka, kalahati ng konsensya mo nagsasabi sa'yo, nagsinungaling ka. Sabi naman siya, uy, nagsinungaling ka. Sabi niya, hindi, okay lang yan. Bigyan mo akong tao ni Satanas dyan. Sige nga, sige. Tao, tirahin mo. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yung award na yan. Mahalaga yung award sa lupa. Hanggat nandito ako, award kunin mo. Kamkamin mo. Saksak mo sa baga mo. Pasok mo sa tumbon mo. Labas mo sa lalamunan mo. Shut up! All I'm saying, mga boss, that's what you get for the award that you basically told lie.